Meet Mrs. Tapasvi. She is an IT professional. Her dreams are to have a luxurious home, travel the world, and own a premium car. Dr. Anil, his dream is to provide the best possible education to his children and retire peacefully. Mrs. Tapasvi, she is stressed due to meager salary raise and falling returns on her fixed deposits. Dr. Anil, he is stressed due to his loan burden and huge losses in stock market. Mr. Sudhakar, a small businessman whose son has recently appeared for HSC exam. His dream is to send his son abroad for higher studies. But he is stressed due to low savings and rising cost of higher education. The most common financial problems are mainly due to widespread misconceptions and low financial literacy. When you are young, you tend to switch jobs frequently, thinking that all financial problems will magically go away. You apply for another credit card or personal loan to pay off the previous one. You live in today as if there is no tomorrow. In your middle age, you are overburdened with heavy loans and there's nothing left to save. You take elevated risk to make money quickly. You rely heavily on employer-provided benefits and perks. When nearing retirement, you prefer only fixed return instruments. You fail to consider the increasing lifespan. Make no provision for the rising cost of living and medical expenses. Are you really happy with your personal finances? Do you really know what you are saving for? Are you confident of living a comfortable life post-retirement? Will you be able to meet all your financial responsibilities? Will you ever realize financial freedom? Presenting Adyanta Financial Consultancy, a new age independent financial planning and wealth management firm based in Mumbai, helping clients achieve their dreams and goals since 2011. Our firm can provide the best solutions to your biggest financial problems, namely identifying and prioritizing your financial goals, bridging the gap between your current investment portfolio and your goals, providing you a roadmap to achieve your goals. Adyanta Financial Consultancy helps you with a systematic and dynamic process of achieving your life goals through efficient management of your personal finances. With over 300 plus happy clients spread over 12 cities in India and 8 countries worldwide, wouldn't they be your first choice? The firm is headed by Mr. Vipul Bane, the CEO and founder, who is highly competent and a well-known face in the industry with over 18 years of expertise. He has not only earned the trust of his clients but also won several prestigious awards at the regional and national level. We cover all aspects of financial planning such as retirement planning, child's higher education planning, cash flow and tax planning, investment advisory and wealth management, family security and estate planning. So what is the final outcome? We remove all the uncertainty from your financial future and bring greater peace and happiness in your life. So if you are looking for financial freedom, call us today. Our contact numbers are 919819313236 or 919987635471. We are instantly available on mail. Our mail ID is vipul@adyantafinancials.com. Do not forget to visit our website www.adyantafinancials.com. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail.